everyone. I'm here with no one less than the brand new #1 in forever, the #1 FBO in the whole world, Onami Takagi.
Hello! Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Yeah. And we are here in the Dominican Republic and the sun was beautiful.
Yes!
Do you love the sun?
Yes, of course!
Yeah?
Yes!
Well, have you ever seen the European sun?
No.
No. Well, the most beautiful sun in the whole of Europe you can find in the French Riviera.
Wow, great!
Yes. And actually, we have this summer, in the beginning of June, we have a big event in Cannes, in the French Riviera.
Woo!
Would do you have time
Yeah,
to come
yes.
over there?
Yes?
Yeah?
Yes, of course!
So you would come
Yes!
and maybe do some training for the
Yes,
people?
yes.
Oh, that would be great. So now the only question is, what question do you have for Hanami that she needs to answer in her trainings in the Yes You Can incentive?
Yes, you can!
So write your question and maybe Hanami will answer that question in her training, especially for everyone who qualifies for the Yes You Can incentive. Thank you very much, Hanami.
Yes!
Bye bye!
Bye bye!